Good morning. Hanging out here this morning after a wonderful, crazy, adventurous night last night. So the kids are eating some amazing, ingrediented, lovable, yummy treats this morning. Donuts. Little Debbie donuts. Thank you, Debbie, whoever you are. So that's what's going on this morning. Took a shower, got myself all cleaned up. There's my cute little redhead this morning. So now we're enjoying, the kids are enjoying Debbie, those donuts, those little ones, the powder ones. Love to know, drop it below. Comment below what your favorite little Debbie snack is when you were a kid or even now. Drop it, I'd love to know. But that's what we're doing. It's a beautiful morning here, Saturday, so we're enjoying life. Had a little sleepover kind of deal, but we're enjoying it and we'll see what our day brings us. Hey, you guys, look at this. So this is our little tree, you guys. He's so cute. So we just got these little wooden little trees that were cut, of course they're clippings, and we got them in the mail. Put them in the water, and I kept watering them every day at home until they started to root. And then as soon as little darn things got their roots and their leaves, we brought them out and planted them here. So we have about 106 already, I can't remember. They sent us extra. We bought 100. So I'm hoping that once these grow big, that they will make a little, I can show you guys this. I'll make a little privacy fence here basically, because they'll grow up to, 30 some odd feet tall. Our home is over here, and it's built into a farm field here. So our stands are here. We have a couple stands, and we have our food plots like right up in this area. So this will help the deer. The deer to come out here no matter what, but we want them to take their time coming in here, and that way for hunting it'll be a little bit better. Plus it'll be a little bit of a windbreak too. They come down for the water, basically. What do you have, Tashlyn? Pretty.
Okay, you can do that.
You can make a lot of things with dandelion.
No, or.
Ooh, beautiful. So drop it below. Comment, you guys, if you guys make anything from dandelions, or if you know things you can make from dandelion.
You could make like the drink crown. Like that drink you made one time.
Yep, make some wine.
But I'll try to fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll change it, change it.
And all these little treasures out here. Old 20 gauge shell. So they're being pretty nosy.
Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my
from the woods over here. See his little, this hawk area, right? Back part, basically.
Were there any bugs in here?
Fix it, love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you.
Girls doing. Yeah? Looks like a little house up there, kind of, huh?
We're making a house.
That's cool. Beautiful Saturday here on the Awesome Paradise. Oh boy. Kids are playing Minecraft up in the trees. We just got done picking up sticks. Got our little waterway here. Noticed some tracks from deer coming up this morning and last night. How exciting is that? Water's finally drying here. That's awesome to see. Kind of just getting ready to plant. Kind of move everything out and clean it up. The trees. Oh boy, pink little monkeys. And that's the reason I pee too, is so that, yeah. I just finished up over there, hanging out, picking up sticks. I think it's gonna look so nice once all that back there by the woods gets seeded in with some food plot seed for the deer, so the kids can do some hunting back there and make it great for going for walks, all that stuff that we like to do here on our place. So I really can't wait to see how that turns out. We have a lot of cutting wood to do yet too, but it's still starting. It's a nice start, that's for sure. Favorites are these black-eyed Susans, you guys. They will grow in this space, big and bushy, showing off their beautiful colors this fall, along with everything else, the purples and some of the grass. One of my favorite grasses, you guys. And grass is so awesome. Once it starts to get to be huge this summer and then into fall, it's going to grow these big, beautiful, purple, rough little looking pom-pom thingamajiggers, whatever you want to call it. Let's not even pretend like I know what I'm talking about. So I have a little chicken coop here, and we're hoping to have some time to paint it. The girls really want to get something fun. We are a little teeny chicken coop here. It's nothing big, but it's perfect for our ladies. They saw me coming down, so they went inside thinking that I'm gonna bring them a snack, but we typically like to give them our scraps here. Here she is. There's a bunch of them. We have 7, which is perfect for us. We're just weeks away from them laying their eggs, which we're excited. We're gonna pop in some boxes so we can open up and catch eggs. I don't know why we say catch. Why with the whole catch eggs thing, but collect eggs. It's so pretty here, you guys. So I'm excited. So we're gonna get it all done. So I'm just putting a little bit of fresh dirt in here. I'll bring in some and a little kind of dirt from that I'm gonna buy from the store. I don't even pretend like I know what I'm saying. You know what I mean? So anyways, the cute little pebbly dirt shit that's gonna go in there. I don't know. We'll see. Hey ladies! Hey ladies, come on out. They love hearing me. That means they think that it's gonna be snack time. So we're hoping that they'll start to learn to kind of come out. We've let them out a couple times, but I'm really trying to teach them to respond to when I want to put them in. So they're doing good though. They're really grown so much since we've gotten them, and we let them out. They'll come out and peck out everything out. We just put them in because the dog's hanging out, but our dogs leave them alone pretty good. So we've been really working hard making sure that they have their little area here. kind of clearing up some spots. The kids are out hanging out doing their thing. Got church laying down here. Boomer. Boomer's hanging snugging. Hi, Snuggy buddy. Hi. This is Boomer from church. Got Trent hanging out here enjoying the hammock. Putting some fresh dirt in here. We built the deck last year, so everything is sunk, of course. So now we'll get this planted up. Nice little area. It all planted there. Use some Foodplot seed. Gonna wait for this bottom field to get planted. It's getting soybeans this year, so we're waiting for that to get planted so we know how far the farmer's gonna go. Looks good. Little by little, it's getting there. So I'm planting these grasses. Just gonna give them a little home here. Make sure I plant up around here, this area. All that goodness for them. They're gonna get so big, you guys. I'm feeling this spot so awesome. I'm driving by going, my plants look amazing. See you in the next one. Out. They love it out here, you guys. It's being cooped up, but for their safety we put them inside, so that way if we want to walk away and not have to worry about something coming and get them. But during the day when we have some time to be with them, we'll let them out and do their thing, and they'll go right back in the nighttime because they feel safe inside there, and they kind of like jump up on top where we have all their little areas, and they'll do their thing. Yeah, they'll do that.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you without
the water.
seeing all the
Fresh spring water. Does that taste good, ladies? And everything's kind of growing in. Our little Shasta daisies. It's kind of coming back. Spring always looks so rough, but by this summer and fall, it'll look just amazing in here. With some weather coming in. Bring on the thunderstorms. Who loves a good thunderstorm? I know I do. Gotta have a good thunderstorm. That's all I gotta say. So here we are. 7 of them are beautiful little ladies enjoying their day. We're just winding down here. Kids are out helping burn leaves. Bunch of raking today, bunch of planting. We're busy. Beautiful day today. Cool springish summerish day. Beach looks amazing. Gonna enjoy some s'mores. Little giggles tonight. I love to smoke. Smoking. Time to do a little smoking today. Look at this bad boy. We got some more going on. Beautiful out here, you guys. We just finished up with dinner. We had grilled pizza right on the grill there, you guys. So the kids each got to make their own personal pizza. You guys, being a mom is super easy when you do that little thing like that. Don't even worry about it. Let them pick their own ingredients. Slap some cheese and some sauce on that bad boy, put it on the grill, and call it a day. Hanging out here in front of this awesome fire. It's toasty. It's been a cold May here in Wisconsin, and so the kids hanging out in the little teepee here. And we are enjoying a couple drinks with everybody, enjoying the sunset. You guys, the sunset is delish. Super beautiful. Dogs are enjoying the evening. I'm going to sit here and hang out. We're going to make s'mores later, so I'll have to make sure we show you guys a little bit of that action. And a little four-wheel drive through the woods with everybody. And we're just enjoying our evening here. Friday evening here. Hanging out here on the porch tonight. A little grill out. Absolutely love my lights, you guys. These are the best kind of lights to have. They turn off. So pretty. So much for enjoying this awesome vlog about what's going on in my life. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that subscribe button, comment below too, you guys. Tell us a little bit about you, and if you have your own little paradise, love to hear all about it. Make sure you hit the like too on this button, and enjoy your day, enjoy your life. We're out.